Hi everybody, so I hope you guys are well and having a really lovely day today. So I am actually off to London, which yet again I am so excited for. We are going to see LUSH, of course, and I got invited to an event and I thought, you know what, why not take you guys along with me? I absolutely love going to these events. I feel so fortunate and very lucky to get to go, and I feel like you guys would love to see them too. So we are yet again heading off to London to go to LUSH, and I think we're going to see a lot of like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Easter, a lot of sneak peeks, a lot of new products, and I just cannot wait. So let's go to London. I am gonna get the train. I think my train leaves in about half an hour, so I need to leave. I need to get a little snack on the way, and yeah, let's head off to London. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching.
Plastic, but they're not plastic at all. It's seaweed.
That is so cute.
You're gonna feel like your heart is gonna get the power. Fantastic.
Any more?
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Also got sneak peeks of the Mother's Day range, so this is coming out on the 13th of Feb. You guys might have seen my video where I went through all the spoilers and sneak peeks, but I didn't actually expect to see it at the event, which is really exciting. So we've got all the brand new products, even including the weird lizard that I still can't correlate to Mother's Day, but that being said, it smells absolutely amazing. Obviously, we also have our ever so favourite yummy custard, which I will be getting some of when it comes out, along with the coffee morning shower jelly. Absolutely obsessed with that. It's so cute as well. And it smells like sticky dates, which is great. And again, this soap, look how beautiful that is. Absolutely just incredible. I really want to get one. I think it would look beautiful in the bathroom. But that is all the range, and I'm just so excited about it. It is screaming spring, Mother's Day cutesy vibes, so absolutely obsessed with those. So we're just smelling all the Easter stuff, which is really exciting because I didn't realise they were going to have it all here, but look, obviously, golden egg shower gel, delicious, and this little bird is so cute too. I just went to smell the microphone instead of the actual product, that's hilarious. And we've got jellies, and we've got carrots, and we've got eggs. There's loads of good stuff for the Easter stuff. We've got like an Easter turtle and also a froggy friend. How cute is that? I want them all. The hat is so cute too. And the bird. And the egg. Everything. Love it. These are the community scrubs, so we have a really nice selection of fragrances. I don't think the green one is going to be a bit of me. It's giving earthy garden vibes. However, the comforter and the creamy candy and posh chocolate, I think, are 3 that I would really love. So let me know down below which you guys are excited about. If you're going to get any, I'd love to know. I'm probably going to have to go for a comforter for definite, and maybe a posh chocolate. Also maybe a creamy candy. To be honest, I want them all, so absolutely obsessed with the collection. Hi besties, so I am back. I'm not gonna lie to you, as per always with these Lush events, I get so overly excited that I don't really know what I filmed. I didn't really speak to you guys, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys as much as I could, because the sneak peeks, they were sneak peeking. Honestly, I didn't expect to see, well, firstly, I kind of thought the Mother's Day range was going to be there, I won't lie, but the Easter range, I haven't even seen any sneak peeks of that yet, and let me tell you, I am so excited about it. I will do my kind of normal Easter spoilers video, that will still come, but you guys would have seen a bunch of the stuff already, which is so exciting. And I thought I would just end off today's video obviously saying thank you so much to the entire Lush community team. Honestly, as always, you were just so generous and your kindness just doesn't go unnoticed, and I'm just so thankful. But I did also want to share with you the bunch of goodies that I received at the event, which again I am just so incredibly grateful for. So let's first start off with this one. I don't know whether you guys would have seen it, but basically there was this pull a carrot out of the grass kind of game, and when you did that you won a prize, and I actually won a bottle of my favorite Sticky Dates shower gel. You guys know I absolutely love this product, and my friend Gemma, who was there, she actually isn't a fan of Sticky Dates, so she kindly gave me hers as well. So I left the event with 2 bottles of Sticky Date shower gel, which I could not be more thrilled about, because not only do I love this product, Ryan loves it too. So yeah, we basically are stocked up with that one, and it is so good. If you guys haven't ever used it, it basically smells like toffee, caramel, like biscuity, just delicious. It is so good. Anyway, the rest of the bag is pretty much a surprise, although actually let me just grab this one. Again, you guys would have seen this, but we actually got to make a bath bomb. I'm not going to pull it out the bag because I feel like it's going to go everywhere, but it was the Valentine's Day kind of the letter, can't remember what it was called, but it's the one that has the heart in the middle and the little sprinkles on. We made one of those, which was so fun, and the rest of the items in the bag are a complete mystery, so let's go through them together. The first item we have is, okay, I am really excited about this. The first item we have is the Sticky Dates body spray. I, again, just love the smell of Sticky Dates. It is one of my all-time favourite scents from Lush. I honestly think it's probably got to be in my top 5. I would say highly in my top 5. Definitely a top 10. But yeah, it smells like caramel, toffee, vanilla, syrup, like basically foodie. You'll love this if you love foodie scents. So we have one of those. And then, oh, okay, do you know what? I haven't used this product in probably a good year to 2 years, and there's no real reason for it. I just haven't gone in and bought another pot of it. But you guys know, if you are an OG to my channel, you will know how much I love this product, and that is the Roots Scalp Treatment. Now, this product, honestly, it's one of those products that I have used. I can't even tell you how many times I have used this item. I want to say I've bought maybe 15 to 20 of these. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I love this stuff. It is so good. It's essentially a mint scalp treatment. So you put it on your hair, you leave it. I tend to leave it for a while, and then I wash it out with like shampoo, conditioner. It is so good. It makes my scalp feel incredible. I washed my hair last night, so it's not a hair wash day today, but I will definitely use that on my next hair wash day for sure. Then in the bag we have a bath bomb. This is going to be quite hard for me to show you with one hand, but let me just pull it out 1 second. So the bath bomb we received is this beautiful, absolute monstrosity of a bath bomb. It smells so good. So this one is from the Valentine's Day range, and I'm so excited to give it a try. I have yet to try anything from the Valentine's Day range, so this is my first item, and I'm so excited about it. It smells so good. It's very subtle, very fresh, cannot get my words out. It's a very delicate smell. It's really good. So I'm really looking forward to giving this one a try. I'm so grateful for that. And then we have 2 more items. So I feel like this goodie bag is never ending, and everything is absolutely just my absolute favorites. So the next item we have is, of course, the Posh Chocolate Body Wash. If you guys haven't watched my videos before, you will not know that I absolutely love this product. Again, it is the most beautiful chocolatey, foodie body wash you could ever use. If you want to smell like chocolate icing. Incredible. I absolutely love that. And then the last item, oh my goodness, this is such a throwback for me. And again, I used to love this product and I haven't used it in so long. And that is the Ultra Bland Facial Cleanser. If you're an OG Lushie, or again, you just love Lush for your staples, this is perfect. So this one is essentially a oil-based makeup remover slash facial cleanser. I absolutely love it to remove makeup, waterproof makeup, or if you kind of are going on a night out and you're wearing a little bit more than normal, this is perfect. Rub it into the skin, get a hot flannel, wipe it all off. Absolutely amazing. I love it so much. And that is everything in the goodie bag. I am absolutely, again, just blown away with Lush's generosity. Like, I never go to these events expecting stuff, and every time they say, oh, make sure you get a goodie bag, like, it is always incredible. Like, this is so generous. And Lush, if you're watching, I love you guys so much. I am so grateful for you. Thank you so much for, again, a wonderful event. I'm just I'm just in awe. I had the most amazing time. Got to see all my friends. I got to see all the Lush team, and it was just amazing. So I'm actually going to end today's video here. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I promise you eventually I will get so much better at vlogging in public, but for some reason, like, talking to my camera in front of a bunch of people, I just can't do it. I don't know what it is. At Disney, it's different. I feel like at Disney, you never see those people again. But for some reason, at Lush events, it's so hard to look past that. So next time, I will try my best to be a little bit more talkative on camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway. If you haven't yet subscribed and you love Lush and you love books, this is a great place to be. I hope you stick around. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.